Good morning, it's another day here, it's Monday morning. Today we're gonna get the excavator and dig this culvert out. That is the waterway or the spillway for what we call the little pond, our irrigation pond here. This is a 3-foot culvert. We're gonna take it out, put in a 2-foot culvert to lower the road down. Eventually gonna put in like 5 sections here and go all the way down beside the shop and increase my shop yard here. So I dug out this spot beside the driveway. We're gonna move the driveway over 12-ish feet away from the pond just to straighten the driveway and get away from the pond a little bit. So we're gonna get this culvert out, start checking everything, see how bad it is. All right, we got the culvert out. Came out really nice. It's all in one piece. I did nick it in one spot. I was trying really hard not to, but it's just a tiny little spot on it. It's totally fine. So this is out. This is all dug up. Justin checked it with the transit, and the trench is level from just where we stopped digging to the guy wire on that telephone pole there behind me. So we've got to dig down just a tiny little bit. I don't want to dig any more than I have to because then I'll have to backfill and run the compactor, and I'm really trying to avoid that just to save time here. So we're going to get that dug down just a little bit and get these culverts laid in here.
For water. I don't know if it's a big deal. But my line is mixed.
You're right.
I thought I had it right, and then I roughed those, but like I got those little backwards.
Yeah. I'm hoping put the metal in the middle somewhere. So we're going to dig a tiny little bit, get around that guy wire, and hopefully down the hill. It should be a lot easier because it pitches off quite a lot steeper, so it won't have to really worry too much about the pitch. But right here, of course, it's got to pitch down so that any water that gets into the culvert will run down through the waterway and continue on and not just sit in the culvert. We got the 3 culverts laid in there now. They've buried a little bit. Got all the rest of the fill that we dug out buried across all 3 of them to anchor them in. We're going to put some landscape fabric across the top where the road and the driveway is going to be. And then we're going to put some more topsoil in here on top of where we're moving. So that's what the old road used to be right here behind me. And we are now moving the driveway over to that lower spot here behind me now, just to get away from the pond a little bit. There's no reason to have the road there so close to the pond. So we'll put a little bit of topsoil in here where the culvert goes through right beside the pond, and then we're going to gravel the rest of it, and that will extend the shop yard a little bit, give us some more room. We'll cover all this grass here with landscape fabric and then put some gravel down, and then the culvert will be the highest point here between the field and the shop, so the rainwater will pitch down into the field or across the shop yard down into the woods there on the other side. So we'll see you next time. We appreciate it.